So what is up? Today is Tuesday, June 2nd. I took 2 trades on the Nasdaq. I did lose both trades. My second trade came very close to actually hitting my take profit. Unfortunately, it edged me. I feel like that's been a reoccurring theme because last night I took another trade in Asia. It didn't work out well either. But coming into the session, I did have a bearish bias. I know we are at all-time highs. So I feel like obviously like longs are higher rated, but there's multiple things that make me really like shorts. Like for example, yesterday, we put in these relative equal lows where when you look at Friday's low right here, we put in these equal lows over here. I'm gonna go back to Friday, right? Then we actually came close again and made relative equal lows, right? So yesterday I wanted longs but wouldn't take longs because I want to see that get swept. And honestly, I still want to see that get swept. We came close to taking it. I actually took my trade during Asia last night, which was literally like a CISD trade where like I want to say it was something like this. I forget. What time? Well, I placed it at... I'd have to remind myself my exact execute. Oh, no, I remember my executions. I don't have to look. I took this short right here. I know 100% this is the exact short I took, right? I set a limit order at this like CISD over here. I was going for a 1 to 4 risk to reward to pass my eval. So I was targeting like down here. And then, yeah, it pretty much only went like 3R. And then I got stopped down in that. That was that's like an eval, like only one eval. I trade lower risk during Asia. I'm okay with that. But for the actual AM session, I still wanted to see those lows get taken. And also overnight, ES did something really interesting. Like when you mark out the session highs and session lows, you can see Asia low is right next to previous day low, right? So now we have relative equal lows on ES. We have these equal lows on NQ as well. I feel like there's so many draws and liquidity lower that like I'm just looking for shorts, right? So the first short that I actually took was we pretty much swept out these 930 highs. So we came down at the open, we came a little bit back up, took the highs. I was looking for a continuation short. So I pretty much kind of entered yeah, somewhere around here off this strong candle close. There were also orders on Bookmap. So if I go around to like what, 955, let me pull up Bookmap. So at like 955, right around here. So you can see there's this large block of red orders up here. We came very close to, kind of reacted off of that. And I saw the reaction like align with my bias like on the charts, right? Like we're reacting off that 930 high. I was gonna go for these lows down here, I'm pretty sure, but I was never actually able to really get much profit on this. Probably just stopped me out. So here we had news that came out at 10 a.m. So we left behind a data low right here. Like I love data lows and data highs. Honestly, this was a lower rated data low because interestingly enough, when you go to NQ, the data low just wasn't there. It wasn't even close to being there. But honestly, I was like, you know what? I have a bearish like bias. I want to target something in line with that. So I'm still looking for shorts. Now we have this data low below. We took out the data high as well. So we kind of started like having a little V shape like right around here. So I took shorts on this candle close like right here. I put my stop to swing high. I was going for these data lows down here. So it pretty much came all the way down here. And I actually did end up trailing my stop. I actually ironically did add one more contract in this area. So I was still slightly under risked, but kind of made it more reasonable with my stop trailed. But just because like I saw us starting to react down, I thought maybe this is the follow through I wanted, but we still never took these data lows, which is, I guess in hindsight, maybe we didn't take the data lows because they're not data lows in NQ. It's only MNQ. But I don't look back and think anything I did here was stupid, but yeah, I mean, and honestly, like you could have said, damn, you should have went break even here. But knowing myself, I probably would have just re-entered off like this reaction right here. Like, I figured like I wanted to leave myself the chance that we could retrade back up here, tap in that order block, then continue down, but we obviously didn't do that. And interestingly enough today, ES actually did something really weird where you can see, oh, I guess, did they fix it? There was a crazy wick that was like 600 points down. See, it says like we're having a data issue on ES, but yeah, so I pretty much took 2 losses today. Low key, honestly, this has been a rough start to the month because, I mean, Sunday Asia session, I tried to take like a CISD limit order. It came like a half a point away from filling me, and then it went 4 ticks, a full point through my order, never filled me. Monday, I couldn't find any trades because we made those equal lows. Then Monday night, I'm targeting the equal lows. Like, I'm up 3R, I need 4, get edged, right? I was up almost 3.5R almost. Then, yeah, today I get rage baited again. Obviously, I mean, the rage bait has to end at some point. I will survive. But yeah, those are the trades I took today. So also, in case you guys haven't noticed, I do live trade every single day, Monday to Friday at 9:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here on YouTube. So definitely pull up, hang out with me, trade with me, see me take literally every single execution in live time. And also, if you are looking for a prop firm to trade with, as you saw at top, I love Alpha Futures and Tradeify. I think Tradeify is good for beginners. They have like daily payouts straight to funded accounts. And I feel like if you want to be like a serious trader, you want better live conditions, Alpha Prime, like an actual trading floor, Alpha Futures is where it's at. Yeah, but I do appreciate you watching this video. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. Peace out.